Vaheguru, student of 10th class. Today we are going to start here chapter number 4, entrepreneur skills of subject computer. First topic is list the characteristics of a successful entrepreneur. Before discussing about the characteristics, firstly let us discuss what is the meaning of the entrepreneur. See बच्चे, entrepreneur is a person who set up a business or businesses, a one business or number of businesses, taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. Or we can call about a person who undertake the risk of starting a new business. Whenever a person who take the risk of starting a new business is called an entrepreneur. It creates a firm. Entrepreneur creates a firm which aggregate capital, labor. They will invest the capital, labor to produce the goods and services for the profit gain. So entrepreneur is a person who undertake the risk of starting a new business is called an entrepreneur. Next बच्चे, see it is written here. Howard W. Johnson says entrepreneur is a composite of three basic elements. What are the basic elements? Invention, innovation and adaptation. Invention बच्चे, action of inventing something. Invention, consider entrepreneur has to be an action of inventing something. Innovation, consider process of innovating new ideas. Innovation considered a process of innovating new ideas, new products, new methods. And adaptation, this is considered to be a process of being adapted or process of change which an organism becomes better suited to its environment. Adapt the change. So entrepreneur having a three element, that is invention, action of inventing something, innovation, process of innovating new ideas, new product for their customer, adaptation, adapt the change or process of being adapted. Next, let us discuss about the entrepreneurship and society. बच्चे, entrepreneurship is very important driver for the economic growth and innovation, because entrepreneur is a person who undertake the risk of starting a new business enterprise. So entrepreneur having some personal qualities which influence his behavior. They promote investment, increase production and bring competitiveness in the business. So the society attitude towards business and risk are the important. So let us discuss about the characteristics. What are the characteristics of the successful entrepreneur? There are 12 characteristics are written here. First one is बच्चे leadership. An entrepreneur having an characteristics that is essential a leader. They have to or he have to lead his team so they can achieve their goals effectively and efficiently. So leadership quality is essential in if anybody want to become a successful entrepreneur. It should be in initiative, high energy level, self-confidence, human relation skills, motivational skills, creativity. Should be creative mind. He should be creative mind and keen desires to solve the problems. Next point is बच्चे risk taking. Business risks are unpredictable. We cannot predict whenever the risk come in the business. But entrepreneuring having an quality to take risk immediately. because if we will take higher the risk, higher the profit, lesser the risk, lesser the profit. So entrepreneur innovates the idea and undertake risk, exploiting the idea by investing his funds, because he recognized that higher the risk, greater is the profit. Next is innovativeness. As we will discuss here, entrepreneurship having the basic element invention, innovation. So entrepreneur having an innovative mind. See, customer requirements and taste are keep on changing, so production should meet the customer requirement. So there is an innovativeness is an other important characteristics of a successful entrepreneur. He has to produce new products for their customer according to their requirements. He has to take the new ideas, he has to give the new things to their customer. So this is the most important characteristics of a successful entrepreneur. Next is goal oriented. Entrepreneur is goal oriented. See, he set a goal. If he set a goal to achieve, he can easily lead to his fellows. He set a goal to achieve to earn profit by how? By producing goods and services. After reaching one goal, he proceeds to the another goal. So he must be the entrepreneur mind must be goal oriented. Decision maker. Entrepreneur is regarded as decision maker. He has to take many decisions to put up the idea into reality, because if we are talking about the entrepreneur having innovative mind, he will find out the new idea and he will recognize the idea and product and service or market or out of various alternative before time he has to make a choice between them. So he will choose the best and suitable alternative from all the alternatives. Next is highly optimistic. Entrepreneur is always optimistic. Optimistic considered to be he is hopeful and very confident about the future, and he cannot disturbed by the present problems. He is very confident about the future. Next is motivator. Entrepreneur having a quality to motivate their fellow so they can produce the goods and services for their business effective and efficient way. So in return they will get maximum profit. Self-confident. Entrepreneurs should have this self-confidence in achieving their goal. He would not able, if he doesn't have this self-confidence, he would not able to convince to others to achieve the goals. Action oriented. A real entrepreneur is always action oriented. Whenever there is uncertainty happens in the business, any risk happens in the business, he has a power to take immediate action in the business. He is a planner, he is a doer, he is a dreamer, and he is a achiever. Next is dynamic agent. Dynamic, changeable. According to the situations, according to the requirement, he can easily change their decision. He mobilizes the resources, he destroy all the things to create new things. That's why he is considered to be an innovator. So his real task is creative destruction. He creates new needs. He has ability to visualize new ventures and new products. High achiever. This is the most important characteristics of entrepreneur. There is achievement motivation. He has a strong to achieve. He has an aggressive level of entrepreneurial venturing and need achievement. So this is the most important characteristics of an, and if anybody want an successful entrepreneur, he must be a higher achiever. Trust in self. Entrepreneur doesn't believe in luck or fate. He believe in his own decision. He believe in his own work. So he doesn't believe in luck. He doesn't believe in fate. He just believe in their self. He believe his own decision and action. He has a trust in perseverance and creation. He pulls his own strings.